Morning, friends. We're out on French Lake today. We're chasing chain pickerel in the yak. Looks like it's going to be a beauty, but she's going to be hot, so we got out early. Let's get fishing. Oh, looks like we're on, guys. We are on. We got ourselves a little gator there, I'm going to say. Yes, we do. Oh, he's in the weed. Oh my gosh. Look at that, pulling the yak right around. Woo-hoo-hoo! I'm going to say he's got a little weight to him. That ain't no 16 or 17 incher. Oh my sacred heart, look at that guy go. Ooh. Oh yeah, guys. That's a nice fish. Oh, lost him right there at the boat. Rats! Oh. Get this bait back out. We're just going to troll along the weed edge right here until we get up to the honey hole. Once we get up there, we're going to do a little casting. Oh, got a fish on there, guys. Set that hook. Yes, we do. Yeah, that's a fish. Guaranteed. Let's see if we can get him to the boat now and show you guys. Where is he? There he is, right here at the boat now. Oh, he's a little smaller than the last guy, but yes, sir. Get that weed off. Show you guys. Not a bad fish, eh? Second fish of the day. This is a tidal lake, so you can run multiple rods. Not really much point to it, though. If you're off the weed line, pickerel aren't usually hanging out there. Not in open water, but you never know. Oh my God, another fish, guys! Look at that! Already! Woo-hoo-hoo! There he is, right on the weed line. Oh my gosh, that did not take long. Look at that beast fight! Woo-hoo! I think we're bringing him in with a bunch of lily pads, or did we lose him? No, we lost him. Oh, we got a fish on, guys. Yes, we do. There's another one. Oh, caught up in the weeds again. Here he comes. Oh, it's a nice gator. Oh! Oh my God. I hope you guys saw that. Lost him right at the boat again. Number 4. Whoa, guys. We're on. We got a fish. Way out in the deep stuff. Woo-hoo-hoo! We're just going to go for a little snack there. Oh, he's starting to fight now. Now, I put the wood to him. Can we actually get him in is the question. It's right here at the boat. Oh, it's a nice fish too, guys. Big, thick gator. There we go. We got him. Get that out of the shot. What do you think of that guy? Probably 20-something inches, easy. Woohoo! You can see how we're running that bait right at the surface. Keeps it fairly weedless and kind of simulates a bait fish being chased by a predator. Gets the other guys excited, might trigger a strike. Oh my God, guys, did you see that? I was just ready to let a cast out again. He bit right there at the boat. Hoo-hoo-hoo! Okay, finally one casting. Like, what the heck took so long? Nice gator, probably about 18, 19 inches. There's a fish, guys. We're on. Now I gotta keep him out of the weeds. Oh, it's a nice gator too. Mind you, we say that for all of them. And you know why? Because they all are nice. There he comes. Yippers, there he is. Whoa, easy now, dog, easy. Probably 18 or 19 inches. Nice gator. Oh, guys, I'm going to say we're on. Yes, we are. Got one in the deeper water. Oh, he's fighting good. Surprise, not on the weed line. Here he comes. Swimming for the boat now. Oh, guys, we lost him. Ah, shoot. That kind of bites. Oh, oh, guys, I think we got a fish. We're on. Let's hit the stop right off that point. Now, hopefully we can land him, tighten that drag up a little bit. On over. We'll get you released. There we go. Oh yeah, thick gator. There we go. That's probably a 20-inch gator. Beauty fish. Woo! Nice fish. We're on, guys. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo! We are on. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo! Got one in the deeper water. Oh, he's a nice fight too. Just threw out the other line. We can just let that hook on the bottom. There he comes. Whoa, probably a 20-incher. Nice. There he is, probably about 20 inches. We're almost back to the landing, so that's going to be it for today, guys. Caught a few pickerel, and it was an absolutely beautiful day to be on the water. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Till next time, stay safe.